Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Good morning friends, I am your Dr. Sadiq. Welcome to Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel. Today we discuss problems on compound interest. What friends? Problems on compound interest. You can solve the problems on compound interest within 45 seconds friends by using my techniques. Please hit the like button, share this video and comment in the comment box. Let us see the problem. And what sum of money? What friends? Sum. Sum means principal. That means we are finding here p value friends. We are finding p value. Will the compound interest be rupees 336 in 2 years at 10% per annum? At 10% per annum. We know relation between compound interest and p friends. P. By using that relation, we can find p value very easily. Very easily. Let us see what is given data friends first. Solution given here compound interest. Compound interest that is equal to 336. N value 2 years. 10% that means R value 10%. Okay, we are finding here sum friends. Sum means capital P. We know relation between compound interest and P friends. Relation is here compound interest that is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus P friends. Minus P. Taking count P here, then we get here 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus 1. See here component relation between compound interest and P friends. Compound interest and P. Now I explained this part in previous class friends. You can watch that video. Okay. For this part we can find here the value 10% 2 years friends. 10% 2 years. 10% means here 10 by 100 friends. That means you get 1 by 10. So 10 into 2 friends. 20 plus 1. 21 by 10 square. That means you get here 100. Okay. This part value is 21 by 100. See here. Compound interest that is equal to P into 21 by 100. 21 by 100. You can write directly friends by using the table. You don't do all these things in competitive exam friends. For understanding purpose I explain here friends. Okay, right. Compound interest that is equal to P into 21 by 100. We are finding P value here friends. So he given compound interest. So 336 that is equal to P into 21 by 100. 21 in 336. How many times friends? Say 1. 21. That means we get here 12. Okay. 6 21s are we get. So we get P is equal to cross multiply. We get 1600 friends. We get 1600. P is equal to 1600. Okay friends. Once again, we know relation between compound interest and sum friends. P. Compound interest that is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n minus 1. Here this part we can find easily friends by observing this 10% 2 years. 10% 2 years. You can see the table friends. The value is 21 by 100. 21 by 100. So compound interest that is equal to P into this value is 21 by 100. 21 by 100. Okay. In 21, 36, 336, 16 times friends. So cross multiplied we get P is equal to 1600. So principal or sum is 1600. Let us see another problem friends. And what sum of money will the compound interest be rupees 656 in 2 years at 5% per annum? At 5% per annum. Come on, do it friends. We can solve this problem within 45 seconds friends. Let us see. See compound interest. What is compound interest here? 656. That is equal to P into 5%. 5% means friends, here also we have a table value friends. You can check there. 5 by 100. 500 means we get 1 by 20. So 2 years friends, 2 years means 20 into 2, 40, 40 plus 1, 41 by 20 square, 20 square, that means we get 400. So this part value is 41 by 400, 41 by 400. Now in 41, you check here friends, 41 how many times? So 1 time, so 65 minus 41, we get 4, 2, 24, 246, 246. So you check 6 times friends, 6 times, 41, 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So we get 246 friends. So P, that is equal to 16 into 400, that is equal to 4 16s are 6400, 6400. See friends, you can solve this problem within 30 seconds also. Let us see different models in compound interest. In what time, what friends? Time, that means we are finding number of years, will rupees 1000 becomes rupees 1331 at 10% per annum compounded annually. For finding number of years, he given data rupees 1000 friends, that means it is P, he given P, becomes rupees 1331. Rupees 1331 is amount. Okay friends, given A. At 10% given R, compounded annually. Okay, we know relation between A and P friends, that means basic formula. What is basic formula? Solution A, that is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n friends. I want to rearrange the terms here. Just divide with P friends, then we get A by P, that is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Now he given A value friends. What is A value? 1331 divided by P, 1000, that is equal to 1 plus R value, 10 by 100 whole power n. We are finding n value friends. So in 10, in 100, 10 times. So LCM is 10. We get 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 by 10 whole power n. 1331 by 1000. Now I observe the denominator friends. 10. When we get 1000 friends, 10 cube. Okay, 10 cube, that means we get here 1000. That means indirectly, what is n value friends? 3. N is equal to 3. Now I want to check whether I get 1331 or not. For that, I want to find the value of 11 cube friends. 11 cube. 11 11s are 121. I know. So 121 into 11 friends. So 121, 1331. So we get here 11 cube as 1331. So n is equal to what is the n value friends? 3 years. Once again friends, he given A and P value friends. We know basic formula. What is basic formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So I just rearrange the terms here. Okay, I get this form. Then I check when this satisfies. Okay, when friends? 10 cube, 11 cube. So n is equal to 3 years. Or you can check the table friends. I will give you the table value. Okay, from the table value we get less than 15 seconds friends. No doubt at all. You check the table. Okay, I don't want to discuss here friends. Okay, let us see the same model problem. Let us see. The compound interest on rupees 30,000 at 7% per annum is rupees 4,347. The period in years is, here also we are finding time friends, number of years. Okay, for that he given p value friends, p value, and he given compound interest friends, he given compound interest and r. Okay, but I want to use this formula friends. Once again I want to use this formula. So for that what is a friends? If you add these two, then we get here 30,000, 43, 47. Clearly we get here 34,347. Okay, so the amount value is 34,347 divided by p value friends, 30,000. That is equal to 1 plus r value 7 by 100 whole power n. We are finding n value here. So what is LCM here? What is LCM? 100 into 1, 100 plus 7. That means you get 107 by 100 whole power n. So here I observe the denominator friends. Okay, I have here 30,000 friends, but I have here 100. So I want to find common factor friends here. Okay, so 3 table in 30,000 we get 1 0 0 0. 3 table here friends, 1 1, we get 1 1 3 13, 4 again 4, we get 2 2 7 9 27 9. Okay, finally I get here 1 1 4 4 9 by 10,000 friends, 10,000. Now I can write here 100 as, come on tell me friends, 100 whole square. That means we get here 10,000. 100 square means we get 10,000. Now I want to check 107 into 107. Whether I get 1 1 4 4 9. Check friends once again. 107 into 107. 7 7s are 49. 7 0 0 0 107. 9 4 14 1 1. See friends, 1 1 4 4 9. So what is n value friends here? What is n value? N value is 2 years. N value is 2 years. In this way we can solve the problems within 45 seconds friends. Let us see another model. At what rate? What friends? Rate. We are finding r friends. We are finding r. In previous problems we are finding number of years. Let us see. Of compound interest per annum will a sum of 1200, that means it is p friends, p becomes rupees 1348.32, that means it is amount friends, amount in 2 years. We know relation between a and p, that means in previous problem we are using friends the same formula I want to use here. So what is formula friends here? What is formula? Solution a, that is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Okay, divided with p friends, then I get a by p, that is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Okay, now what is a friends? 1348.32. 1348.32 divided by p. P is 1200. That is equal to 1 plus r. We are finding r value friends. R by 100 whole power n. N is number of years, so n 2 years. Now if I observe here, we have square friends. Okay, now if I take the square to the left hand side, it will become square root of friends, square root. So if I have perfect square and square root cancel, then I get a number, then I can easily find r value. Okay, for that I want to divide with 100 friends, because after decimal we have 2 points friends here, decimal points. So divide with 100, then we get here 1348.32 divided by 1200 into 100 friends, that means we get 2 zeros, that is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole square. See friends, 1,20,000. So I am checking here whether 12 table cancel or not. Okay, in 1,20,000, 12 table 1 0 0 0 0, 4 zeros friends. Here 1, we get 1, 1 4 14, 14 1 time, we get 2, 28, 2 12s are 24, 28 minus 24 we get 4, 43, 43, that means 3, 7, 72, 6 12s are 72. Okay friends, 72. Now I observe the denominator friends. I observe the denominator. This denominator can be written as friends 100 square. I want to write square friends. Okay, so denominator I can write 100 square, 100 square. Now I observe here 6 friends. I observe 6. So when I get 6, 101 no, 102 no, so 106. So 106 into 106, I check here, 106 into 106, 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 ones are 6, 0 0 0, 106. I get here 6 3 12 1 1. See friends, 11 236, 11 236. That means I can write here 106 square, 106 square. So that is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole square, whole square. Okay friends, now I can write 1 plus r by 100, that is equal friends 106 by 100, 106 by 100. Simply r by 100, that is equal to, you take transpose 1, we get minus 1, 106 minus 100, we get 6 by 100, 6 by 100, 100 cancel, we get r is equal to 6%. Okay friends, we get r is equal to 6%. Once again friends, we know basic formula friends. Right, rearrange the terms first. A by p, that is equal 1 plus r by 100 whole power n. Okay, substitute all these values. We are finding here r value friends. We are finding r value. So whenever you observe square here, okay, here the left hand side we have perfect square friends. Then square root square cancel. I can simply find the r value easily friends. Easily. Okay, here we get r value is 6%. R value is 6%. Let us see the same model friends. At what rate percent per annum will 4,000 amount to 4,410 in 2 years? 2 years. Solution. See friends, A. What is A here? A is 441 0 by 4,000. That is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole square. Whole square. See friends, 0 0 cancel. 0 0 cancel here. I can write perfect square now. Come on, tell me how get perfect square here. Clearly denominator 20 square friends, 20 square. Okay, numerator 21 21s, 21 21s. Clearly we get 441 friends. So it can be written as 21 square. That is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole square. That implies I can write it as 1 plus r by 100, that is equal to 21 by 20. That implies r by 100, that is equal to 21 by 20. Transpose to the right hand side, you get 1 minus 1. So that is equal, I can write here friends. Come on, tell me. 21 minus 20 by 20. So we get here 1. 21 minus 20 means we get 1. 1 by 20. So in 20 100, 5 times. So r is equal to 5%. R is equal to 5%. Okay. This way we can find easily friends. Or if I observe here, we get here, see friends, 400, 441, subtract, we get 41 friends. 41 by 400. Okay. For that, r value is 5% friends for 2 years. Okay, by observing the table, we get the value directly within 30 seconds friends, within 30 seconds. No. Let us see another model. The difference between the compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum at 10% per annum for 2 years is 631. This is difference friends, D. Find the sum. Find the sum. He given difference between simple interest and compound interest friends. We know the formula for 2 years. For 2 years. What is formula, friends? What is formula? P that is equal to 100 square D by R square, friends. R square. So that is equal, we are finding sum here, friends. So P is sum. Okay, right. 100 square into D, friends. Difference is 631. 631 by R square. R square, 10 square. 10 square means 100. Simply one time we get here 63100. Okay, this is principal amount. This is principal amount. By using the formula, okay friends, we can solve this problem within 30 seconds, friends. Within 30 seconds. If you apply the formula, you write compound interest minus simple interest, that is equal to D. If I apply the formula, it take at least 10 to 15 minutes, friends. Okay, hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai.